you guys, welcome back to our channel. Today it's going to be a Halloween inspired video. I'm going to be doing a Halloween look using some makeup and some neon face paint. They sell this at Walmart. Bless you. You guys can really use, whatever you got. If you don't have this, I'm assuming makeup will do, but this will definitely help the look pop. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a purge look. I want to do like let me show you. I want to do something like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Something like that. Give you guys an idea. Something simple, cute, and inexpensive to be for Halloween. So yeah, and I guess I will try to put together a purge outfit if I can find something. I'm pretty sure I can find a purge looking outfit to try to give you guys some type of idea. We're very much unorganized over here. We have arts and crafts over here, painting, makeup. We try to record right here. I'm just using what room I have. I'm trying to hurry up and do this so I can clean and cook dinner and try to do some DIYs. So first I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Grip Primer. Love this primer. I gotta get some more of it actually, because she's running low. I use it every day. Alright, we're just gonna let it dry. But yeah, she's running low. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation how I normally would. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows how I normally would. We're gonna see if we can pop in some eyeshadow in it. Maybe, I don't know, we're gonna see. They have a bunch of ideas. If you get on Google and just Google purge makeup looks, I'm pretty sure they already have some on YouTube as well. But this is just something fun and creative I thought I could do with you guys, give you guys some ideas on something simple and inexpensive to be for Halloween. Ooh, this is cute. And I like how it has the white in it, so that's why I've got white and pink. So we're just gonna get into this. The foundation has dried. I'm going to be using my Fit Me matte concealer, not concealer, foundation in 125 nude beige. And I'm just going to do my foundation how I normally would. It looks so fall outside, don't it, babe? You can tell it's fall. We was driving in this one area. I'm not going to tell y'all what area because it's like too close to where I live. But we was driving in this one area. They've got a college out there, dorms, and it was just giving like very much Halloween town vibes. So if y'all are into the Halloween spirit already, tell me what y'all plan on doing. We already went to a pumpkin patch. We will be putting that video up here soon. I'm working on DIYs. I want to go to a haunted house in October. I'm just trying to tell y'all everything I plan on doing. I plan on baking, doing some Halloween, like, baking type things. Like, I seen how these people make Halloween. Now, I don't know if I'm going to say this word right, but Halloween charcuterie boards. with a bunch of cute things on it, making it real cute and spooky, maybe for your kid. I see people doing it for their dogs. If you're having a movie night, that would be a really cute idea. People make little skull pizza bites and make it look like a skull and put pepperoni and cheese and marinara in it and dip it in pizza sauce. So there's tons of Halloween ideas to do. We've got some pumpkins outside. Our outside is done. I was supposed to show y'all that, but when I was doing it, there was kids outside playing, being extra loud. So I could not record that content for y'all, but I will end up showing y'all how it looks. I do have about 5 more of them light up pumpkins you get from Dollar Tree to put outside. I already have 5 out there, but I got 5 more. I got me a little witch from Dollar Tree to set outside. We've got pumpkins and everything else we normally set outside, but the outside looks super cute. It is giving very much Halloween. The house is almost done. I was going to show y'all all of my Halloween decorations and how I have them set up once all my DIYs are done. So I know the Halloween tour of my decor might be out a little later than everything else. But next year, I really do want to try to like do a decorating video with me. Because next year I'll have all of my DIYs done. So I'll just have a better perspective where to put everything. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows how I normally would. And I have on my trick or treat Halloween shirt and my skull shorts today just to get in the spirit a little bit. And if you like don't have the extra money to go buy this, if you have eyeshadows, I'm pretty sure eyeshadow will work pretty decent as well. But these are really gonna make it pop and give that neon look that we're trying to go for. And these are not pricey at all. I got 2 of these, but one I already opened, and they're like $4. So we're just gonna do the brows real quick and then maybe do some eyeshadow and then try to pop in the real look. And comment down below, what is y'all being for Halloween? Like, I really want to know. I need some ideas. Not really ideas, because I already have an idea of what I want to be, but I'm not 100% positive that that's what I want to be. And I'm not going to tell y'all because I want y'all to be surprised. Alright, we're going to clean that up with some concealer. I'm going to grab my brush that I use on my brows. I'm going to use my brow gel so my brows stay in place. I'm trying to think if I want to add some eyeshadow or not. Alright, I'm just going to add some very light brown eyeshadow to my lids. This one right here. Very light. And I do want to do eyeliner. I'm trying to think if I should do the eyeliner before or after. I'm just going to put some of that on my hand. And it comes up like a cotton candy pink color. And we're just going to go ahead and try to draw the purge look on the face. Wish me luck. Let's hope this turns out well. I don't know. I'm kind of wanting to add some pink eyeshadow. Like, yeah, I'm gonna add some pink eyeshadow. Fuck it. All right, I'm gonna be using the Gorgeous Gangsta color in the Morphe palette. Let's hope this don't stain my face. Fucking bitch, I messed up. Okay, it's not perfect, but this is just look number one we're going for, okay guys? Like, we're gonna get there, hopefully. But she ain't ugly. She ain't ugly. Alright. We got the base. We have the base. If you can see, you can tell, you know what's going on. Now I'm going to take some of this puffy paint, whatever you want to call it, face paint. And I am just simply going to try to go over that. Dang, it's taking off all the eyeshadow. And this is just something fun, a creative idea I'm trying to give you guys. If you ain't got a lot of money and you're trying to be on a budget, like, it's Halloween. It ain't gotta be perfect. You're just trying to get in the Halloween spirit. Now the top right here, it struggled a little bit, but we getting there. And you're gonna want the pink to dry before you go ahead and apply the white. And what I like about this, what I like about Halloween, the lines does not have to be perfect. It just has to look good. One year I painted a pumpkin on my face and it was really cute. I'll try to insert a picture. Just like it was Iron Man that year. Alright, the pink is applied. And my camera wanna act like it's gonna die. I'm gonna let this dry for about 5 minutes and I'll be right back. So now we're gonna move on to the white. In the white, we wanna try a little harder now. The white is supposed to be very thin. The pink is supposed to be underneath the white. You get what I'm saying? So down here, I went a little more lighter. I didn't mean to. Lighter, heavier. So yeah, that is what the look is going for. Just a neon look, like it's lighting up, You can go in and define the lines if you want. So yeah, with paint and some eyeshadow. So we're just gonna add some mascara. You can do your eyeliner. You can add whatever final touches you want. So yeah, that is the final look. You can take some time and maybe do it better than me. I don't know. I was really trying to rush so I can do everything on my list today. So yeah, this is just an idea. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.